Hey guys, welcome back to the So Blessed channel on the road to 1K. Hope you enjoy this video. If you do, hit the like button, comment, and share on the road to 1K. Thank you guys for your support. Hey guys, this is the jollof rice seasoning that I brought from the African market. It says on the back that if I just add this to my rice and the broth, that this is supposed to give me jollof rice. I don't know, guys. I'm gonna add some fresh vegetables to it just to be sure that I get the taste that I'm expecting. I got some hot peppers here that I had grown in the garden last summer, and I've got some bell pepper here, and these were in the freezer, so I thawed them out. Got some fresh tomatoes and some fresh onions, and we're gonna saute those in some palm oil just to give it a little bit more of an authentic taste. I also add the garlic, minced garlic, and the chicken broth. Okay guys, so we've chopped the veggies. I decided to chop them instead of to blend them together because I like the texture of the vegetables. So I'm gonna modify it a little bit and we'll see what happens. And we're gonna use the palm oil to fry it up. I'm gonna add some of the seasoning to the pot. This is the palm oil in here, it's heating up. Guys, so our vegetables have softened quite a bit there. I'm gonna go ahead and add in a little bit of garlic. Put that in the end because I don't want that to burn. And then I'm gonna add 2 cups of chicken stocks to this. And then I'm gonna add 2 cups of water. In goes the chicken stock. And goes the water. I'm gonna bring that to a boil. Okay, so this is boiling. We're going to add the rice that we've washed and drained. Add that in there real quick. This is not the parboiled rice. This is the regular long grain rice that we typically use here. Stir. And then I'm going to put the lid on it and let it do its thing. We'll see what this turns out to be. Okay guys, so already this is looking good. We're going to let this steam off with the top on it. Okay guys, so very happy with the way this turned out. I'm going to put some in a serving plate and see what it tastes like. For me guys, I think I would add the tomato paste, and I would definitely add a little bit of salt and black pepper. And more of that, I would probably add twice as much as I did of this jollof rice seasoning as well. So more seasoning and it should be fine. Enjoy guys.